2013 Hyundai Accent. Taking out the fuel pump, you just, like I said, you detach all these gas lines. This one, and this one. Sorry for that, man. The wind blowing kind of hard. Make sure you disconnect these connectors. Once you do all that, move them all out the way and take out these screwdrivers. These bolts, these screws. Got these screwdriver Phillips. Take all these out. All I did, I used this flat head right here to pop all these off. Once I did all that, I'm about to switch over to a Phillips. Take all them out. Then you just pull it out very, very slowly. Make sure you don't break nothing in case you need something for the new one. Make sure they both are the same exact fuel pump before assembling it, because once you use it, they do not want it back. Make sure they both is the same. Compare everything. Make sure, but that's OEM and this aftermarket. So, but make sure they are the same. Everything look like it's in the same place. Make sure, if you can, put gloves on, because when you're trying to disconnect the little piece that connect to it, you can hurt yourself a little bit and nip yourself. When I was trying to pull it apart, you know what I'm saying, I kind of slightly injured my finger. Just lost a little bit of skin, but hey, I wrapped it up, kept it moving. So it's only take about 15-20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes at the most to get this done, depending on how fast you move. And because I hurt my finger a little bit, slowed me down. But now all I gotta do is attach, put this one back in the tank, put this piece up there, because it do not come with this piece. Make sure you keep this piece from the old one, and that's about it. Put it in, make sure it works, and go from there. And also make sure you get all the gas out of the old one before just throwing it away, because gas is trapped in the inside of there. So make sure you keep that. Okay, so now it's time to reassemble it. I wish I would have got it before I pulled it out, but once I take the bolts out, that's all you gotta do is really just pull it out, and then you just put it back in the same way you pulled that one out. And on this new one, all I gotta do is connect this. You see I got my hand wrapped up, but I put the lever on over here, and once I put the lever on, I put it back in, and that's about it. And I'll show y'all when I put it back in. You gotta prime the pump like 5 or 6 times for it to do all what it's gonna do. And we're running. We're running. As y'all can see, it's idling. New fuel pump installed. Battery need to be charged, so you can either let it run, but it's best to take it out, take it to the auto parts store, let them charge it, unless you got a battery charger, charge it yourself. But yeah, there you go. As y'all can see, this battery weak, so I got it on some cables right now from my car, but I'm gonna take it out here and get the battery charged probably, or I could just let it sit here and run, because as you can see, it got a good amount of gas in it. With a new fuel pump, the gas mileage should be way better. Sorry, it finally cleared up, but y'all can see. Y'all can see we're back rolling. It's back rolling.